Welcome back, Math Masters. You've completed the first part of your training. Now, continue your lesson with this next challenge. Complete it to earn the Subtracting Decimals badge. Mia's electric scooter's battery lasts 4 2/10 hours. Mia used 2 173,000ths hours of the battery after riding around the park. How much battery life does Mia's scooter have left? Solve using the algorithm. Mia's brother Jax says the scooter has 16 53/100ths hours left. Does his answer make sense? If not, explain his mistake. Study well. The path to mastery begins now.
Hey there! Ready for part 2 of our lesson? Mia certainly is. I'm thinking we'll need our subtraction problem-solving skills to conquer today's challenge. Have your guided notes ready. Training starts now. Last time, we trained in subtracting decimals to the thousandths place. Today, we'll apply that skill to real-world word problems. Master Kenji's meditation lasts 2 59/100ths hours. So far, he's meditated for 1 328,000ths hours. How much longer does Kenji need to meditate? What does subtracting the numbers tell us? Pause to record your thinking in your guided notes. Subtracting tells us how long Kenji has left to meditate. Pause again to solve the problem using the subtraction algorithm. Remember to line up the digits and decimal points carefully. After lining up the digits, adding a placeholder 0, and subtracting down each place value, we get a difference of 1 262,000ths hours left to meditate. Does our answer make sense? We know a few different strategies to check for reasonableness. But when we're solving word problems, the answer needs to make sense with the situation too. We subtracted the hours Master Kenji had already meditated to find out how many more hours he had left. How do numbers change when we subtract? The minuend, or starting amount, gets smaller because we're taking away from it. So, should we expect to see a difference that's greater or less than the minuend? Less, and 1 262,000ths is less than 2 59/100ths. So, our answer makes sense. What about Master Kenji's work? Pause here to check if his answer makes sense. If it doesn't, explain his mistake. Master Kenji's answer is 24 572,000ths. That's way more than his total meditation hours, so we know that doesn't make sense. What was the mistake? The decimal point was misplaced in the minuend. Master Kenji subtracted 1 328,000ths from 25 9/10ths, giving the wrong difference. Your challenge still awaits. Complete it, and the Subtracting Decimals badge is yours. Mia's electric scooter's battery lasts 4 2/10ths hours. Mia used 2 173,000ths hours of the battery after riding around the park. How much battery life does Mia's scooter have left? Solve using the algorithm. Mia's brother, Jax, says the scooter has 16 and 53 hundredths left. Does his answer make sense? If not, explain his mistake. We're trying to figure out how many hours of battery Mia has left. So, we need to subtract the hours she's used from the hours she had before riding around the park. That's 4 and 2/10 minus 2 and 173 thousandths. To keep the digits aligned, we add placeholder zeros. Then subtract. The difference is 2 and 27 thousandths. Does Jax's answer of 16 and 53 hundredths hours make sense? Nope. That's more hours of battery than Mia's scooter started with. Jax's mistake was putting the decimal point in 2 and 173 thousandths in the wrong spot and subtracting the numbers in the wrong order. So, what have we learned today? We learned that we can apply our knowledge of decimal subtraction and the algorithm to solve real-world problems and check our answers. You've earned the Subtracting Decimals badge, but your training isn't over yet. Be sure to complete the practice questions and extension activities that go with this lesson to practice subtracting decimals. And remember, Math Masters, in math, as in training, progress comes with patience and practice. I'll see you next time!